Hello queens, welcome to the channel. My name's Alex and I just finished washing my face. To be right with me, but it's harder when you're on top. That's true, there's a lot of work when you're on top. Anyway, I hope you can't hear the music too much because I'm gonna get copyrighted if you can. I'm gonna do a quick get ready with me. Hold on, let me lower it down.
Never mind, I'm just gonna put some background music so I don't have to lower it down too much. Alright, we're gonna shave my face real quick. Oh man, my day has been so slow. Today's Sunday and just been working. It's my day off, but I've been working. I like to resell. My job doesn't pay me enough. So, does anybody like having baby hairs? Because I don't. I'm probably the only one who doesn't like having baby hairs. I just washed my face, that's why it's red. Just kidding, it's always red. But I use this crap and it irritates my face. I would not recommend it. I don't recommend it. Get this towel. Thank you. Betsy Johnson, she knows how to do her shit, man. She does some cute designs. Anyway, I just tried to take off some of the hairs on my face, so shave my nose off too. Alright, I'm gonna prime. Oh no, I should moisturize. I thought I was ready. You melt my heart to stone. I'm feeling my feelings today. You say my name like that could be my head on the you know. Adele always gets me in my feelings. I used to cry when I listened to her. I don't anymore. She still gets me in my feelings though. I'm gonna use this one. It supposedly blurs your the pore minimizer. Hey, that could be. I'm just tired of my head on the own. You know, man, when artists put piano in their songs, it just adds so much to it. Like the 21 album has so much piano in it. That's why it sounds so beautiful, you know. I'm more like into alternative music, but Adele's really good. I know she's like a pop artist, but she's one of my favorite only favorite pop artists. She's just so relatable. She lost so much weight too. Not that that matters, but she's so good. She's always been good. Like my shirt and Taylor. I thrifted it. So, I think I got most of the mascara off my eyelashes. It's the afternoon, like I said, I've just been listing because it's my day off, and yeah, I'm just working. I'm gonna use this one today so you can see how it looks. The tattoo, studio tattoo is really dark. I think I want to get a lighter one. My hair is black right now. I'll probably keep it black, honestly. No, don't do that. Alright, I'm gonna show you. It goes on like thick, but then it's just like spread it out with a little brush. I'm gonna try to do it. Should I use a mirror? Yeah, I should use a mirror. Just kind of like, oh, I got hair. I got hair stuck. So yeah, if you don't have full eyebrows like me, you can definitely, I recommend this one. It feels, oh, I'm sorry. I'm so close up to the camera. But, it's okay, we got Q-tips. And I like to make them thick. So, we're gonna do that. Don't worry, I'm gonna brush them out. They look great. Oh my god, I love having dark eyebrows. I love it. I feel cuter already. Even though that ain't right. This ain't right. It just ain't. So we're just gonna use a little brush to spread it out some more. It's still gonna be dark as fuck, which I like. There are lighter shades if you don't like dark. Or if you have like light hair. Alright. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit. But I really like big eyebrows. I don't want to clean it up too much. I like to be alone. Pretty good. I'm not a professional yet, so that's pretty good for me. Yes, boy brows come through. I'm gonna use what I might just use to fit me again. Maybelline. I've done one other get ready with me. I think I used this one too. I want better foundation, but your girl, she needs more money. I think I primed already, right? Yeah, I did. Let's cover up all this redness. It's crazy. I got the whole weekend off. Guess who's not getting hours at work? Me. It's okay. I hustle. Hustle and get money anyway. That's why I need a man, so you can just pay for everything. I need a man to ride, ride, ride. I need a man to pay my shit. It's actually a little light on me, but not too much. And that's okay, because when I contour, the contour will pop more. The shade of the foundation is a little bit lighter, you know? Oh my god, I love having big eyebrows. I wish they were always like that. That'd be... I'm gonna contour my nose. I've been getting a little bit better at contouring my nose. So, I do wear makeup pretty much every day now. I got something in my nose, but... I'm super excited too. I ordered 2 new pairs of contacts. Ew, that's something in my teeth. I ate and I didn't brush my teeth. That's something in my teeth. I'm gross. I ate a sandwich. It was a turkey sandwich, and yesterday I sauteed like mushrooms and onions, and I added that to the sandwich. It was so fucking good. So bomb.com. So good. I don't like cooking, so my favorite meals are cereal and sandwiches. But I always add something to the sandwiches, and I love lettuce on sandwich too. So yeah, it was a turkey sandwich, but with sauteed mushrooms and onions. It was so good. It's the only thing I've eaten today. Oh yeah, I actually bought a pencil brow thing at the dollar store too. We're gonna contour. There's a pencil. I actually bought this at the dollar store. If you know of any good like contouring pencils that are in like a cooler tone, because it's really warm and I like cool tones, comment below better contour pencils, because I really like them. I really like this one. I just wish it was like a not so golden, you know. And I just use this on my nose, and for my cheeks and face, I'm gonna use a powder contour. But I like this one for my nose. See how it's like kind of red? I'm not gonna put a filter on this video. I did it on the other Get Ready With Me, but I'm not gonna filter this one so you can really see the makeup like a lot better. Anyway, I bought 2 other shades of contacts. I'm over here jumping from topic to topic. But yeah, I bought 2 contacts. One is like an aqua, but it's called aqua, but it looks green. And the other one is called something, it's that Bryn gray. They're like, I don't know where they're from, India or some shit. I got them on Poshmark. But it's called stubborn gray, but it looks like a bluish gray. It's so sick. But the lady ran out, so she's gonna take like 2 weeks for it to get to me. She's gonna wait for like the stubborn gray to come back in stock. It's worth it though, bitch. They look good. It's like $40 for both. She gave me it with shipping and everything. That's pretty good. And they're good for like, she said 6 months. So I'm gonna actually throw away the other pair that I have. I bought like a dark blue pair that looks, I talked about it in the last Get Ready With Me. It looks too dark, like it didn't show as blue, so I'm gonna throw that one away since I'm buying 2 new ones. I already bought them, but they're gonna be here in like 2 weeks. So I'll have this pair and those other 2 that I ordered. Super excited. I love colored contacts. Is there anyone I could find? No, and thank you, please, madame. I'm lost, just wondering. I love this song. love the name of this. Contour and Chill. We're gonna do my face with this. Just beat my face with it. I love getting beaten. Mercury retrograde, y'all. It hasn't really been that bad for me, honestly. A little bit of hiccups with talking communication, but nothing broke. For me, it wasn't like a serious placement in my house chart, so not too bad for me. Other people though, ooh, they're getting it. Two worlds collide. You get people and the government, everybody. Show that we ain't gonna stash it. Show that we are united. Show that we are united. Damn, I look. I can't really see it too much. Yeah, I need to do more to look real dirty. How are you? How's November been for you? For real though, comment down below a good contour pencil and also foundation that will leave me like photo finished, even if it's expensive. Comment below, because like at Ulta, I never go to Ulta, but I know they have like really good foundation. I might just get that. I really want one. Alright, I'm gonna do some eyeshadow a little bit. I really like this, just like this. Honestly, like I would go out like this. It's a good neutral look if you're like non-binary like I am. You just want to look neutral. I think I curled my eyelashes already, but we're gonna curl them again because we need to be higher, higher and higher. But yeah, I've been getting better at my nose contouring. At least I think so. But yeah, I really like just like this natural, good, ready. But if you wanna do extra, you can go. We are gonna put on some lip liner today. I'm gonna go to a store and just look around to see if I can find anything like new to resell. I like filling up my top lip more because, oh no, I have to skip this song. Settle down. Hold on. Give you everything I have. You know that. Didn't I do it right? Should I sing when I'm doing lip liner? It's all good. We have Q-tips. Go on and take it! Take it on with you. Don't look back at this crumbling pool. Oh, my love. Taking over. I love this song. It's one of my favorites. To help you see, nothing is better than this and this. So is it over? Is it? We're gonna be shiny today. Too Faced, hey girl, satin sheets, fingering my face. Look on. I'm sorry, my singing is terrible. At this crumble, just take it on. Don't cry. Oh my god. Woo. She just gets to me. She just. Slow it down and bring it all down. She's amazing. I'm gonna do some color in the crease, but for some reason I've jumped to blush. So, that one. It's almost nighttime, so I'm gonna go bright. Real bright. I'm not really getting that much. Don't look back at this crumbling floor. Just take it all for you. Alright, let's go in. I'm gonna need a brush, but we're gonna go in with, oh my god, have you seen the Hot Cheeto palette? I want it really bad. This one. It's like the brightest one. I have other, no, I already know what I'm gonna use. Tomboy vibes. That's what people think I am. I'm a tomboy. Dropped my phone right now. Hella dropped it. It's charging and I just left it on the floor because I don't give a fuck. Alright, I have my brushes in this messy ass bag. I'm gonna get a good crease brush. And what you do, how you want to clean these is you just like brush it into your pajama pants or your sweatpants or your boxers or your boxer shorts or your basketball pants shorts. That's how you clean these. We're gonna go in with the Tomboy Vibes by Pacifica. The color is Rebel. It's like an orange, the last one right here. I really like the green too. I haven't really used this that much, so we're gonna go in with Rebel, which is the orangey one. Ah! Oh, shit. Yeah, it's just gonna be like super fall vibes. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Very lightly. We're gonna go all the way through though. All of it. This is really good makeup for long hair because I don't know, I feel weird like doing full face makeup with short hair. Even though I could pull it off like fine. I haven't done my eyelashes, that's why it was basic, but I prefer long hair when I wear full face with makeup. So I have a red wig and I call her Flamin' Hot. I haven't introduced her to you guys yet, but you'll probably see her in the story time videos when I make them because I haven't had a chance to. I need to be inspired. I need more time. And what do you think? But yeah, it's getting dark outside, so fuck it. Good practice, right? Last thing I'm gonna do is mascara. I'm just gonna use my Rimmel London one. You can also do some eyeliner if you want, but I want to make it look more full. If you have like short eyelashes, you can do some liquid eyeliner on the line above your eyelashes to make them look more full, you know. If you need it, if you like that fake eyelash look. But my eyelashes are pretty long, so hopefully they'll stay up high to the heavens. I mean, they will. See what I mean? Look at that. It's just black. I always get black. Black mascara, black hair, black man. Excuse me. I don't know why I'm scared. I've been here before. Looks good. You see what I mean? Like this foundation doesn't cover all of my pores and stuff, and I want it to be like airbrushed. Like I need a better foundation or a primer. I don't know what now. I don't really watch makeup videos. I've seen some in the past, but I don't really watch any, so I don't know what they're using. Just let me know what's good. It doesn't have to be new. Just like something tried and true. I think that's it. I'm gonna do some lipstick if you want. My lips are really pink right now. I don't know why. I'm not wearing lipstick. So I do have an orange one. Let me see if I can find it though. Alright, I found it. It's by Alexxx. It's called Smile. Supposedly it's matte, but it doesn't really come off matte. And it's not focusing. Fuck you. Not you, but really orange, so orange. We like orange right now. Oh, okay. Wait. I thought I had tried this before. Maybe I haven't. Well, it's not very matte, but not bad. Kind of cute. So, yep, that's it. Actually, I'm gonna do some black liner for NYX. No, that's not the one. That's broken. What is it? Ah! Lord. Why do I have so much junk? Forget it then. I was gonna do some black liner on the inside of my lid. I love doing that on my waterline. Fuck. This one doesn't work for that. It's the cat onesie. I don't think it's gonna work for that, but we're gonna try. No. Look at that. It's like, I'm not transferring. It's not for trans. Probably for the top. I never use these on the top of my lid anymore. I like liquid ones. Oh, I think it's over here. Yeah, Maybelline Lasting Drama Waterproof. Good fit. I need to sharpen it. This one transfers easy though. Just a little bit. See that? Need better lighting. Sorry, I forgot. So stupid. Yeah, I love wearing eyeliner on the waterline. So pretty. Alright you guys, that's the look. These eyebrows will stay on hopefully until tomorrow. I'm gonna wash my face all around them. I need to get some wet wipes. I'm gonna go to the store to clean my face. And I don't know what happened to my setting spray. I had one and it disappeared on me. I don't know where it went. So I'm gonna go to the store and hopefully not spend too much because I am on a budget right now. What else? But yeah, subscribe. Look out for the last get ready video with me that I did last week. Right now I have to finish a different video that's gonna come out before this one. It's me or BBB contouring some cropping some t-shirts. BBB is a wig, you'll see, because you're gonna see it before this one. If you're subscribed, hit the bell notification so you can hit the little bell so you can get notifications and all of that. Anyway, I hope you like this look. I might wear a wig, I don't know, I'm kind of feeling girly today. But I just really like long hair with makeup because this short hair goes really well with like natural makeup. Before I did the eyeshadow and lip, then it would have been more natural. A less noticeable blush too, to keep it more neutral and like neutral. That's non-binary. But sometimes I like to play with my makeup like this, and that's okay too. Alright you guys, I'll see you in the next video.